Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve this question in C programming. The answer of this question is 0. It will not print this message CPU bus any number of time. I will tell you why. But before that, let's try to compile this program on Linux operating system using GCC compiler, and we will make use of VI editor. So for that, what we will do is we will copy this program from here, and I will this is my I'm connected to my uh, Linux machine. I'm accessing my Linux machine using mobile external terminal. This is one type of SSH client. It's similar to putty. And before that, let me create a directory, a small directory here. Wednesday, I will call it Wednesday. Let me go inside this. Let me clear the screen. So let's create a file main.c using vi editor. The syntax is this, and once I open that, once I run this command, I need to go inside mode, and then I can copy by doing right click of mouse, and we'll say okay. Before running this, let me include the header file which we need for printf, which is stdio.h, and let's run this program once and see what happens. I will say escape shift colon wq means write in queue. So I have this file created. Let me compile it. So to compile this program we will use gcc. The syntax is gcc main.c. So if I run this command, this will by default generate a.out binary file name, but if I want to specify the binary name, then I can make use of -o, and I can name it main.out or any name, whatever you want. Extension also does not matter. Once I run this, to make sure it generated the binary file, I can make use of ls space -ltr, and I can see here it has generated one main.out binary file. How to check this is binary? We can make use of file command and just say main.out, just pass the binary name, and you can see here this is executable. And if you see here, this is the ELF, which is one file format on Linux, and 64-bit. That means it is 64-bit binary. We can also say that this was compiled or generated using 64-bit compiler. So we will not talk more about it, and let's run this program and see the output. You see this, I don't it does not print anything. It's not doing anything because the while loop there. Let me go back to the program here, enable the line number, set new. If you see there, at the line number 5 we are having one variable of integer type. We are initializing it with 0, and at line number 6 we are doing a plus plus. That means it it will be evaluated first, and it will be incremented. So when I say evaluate, that means what this statement is returning. Basically this will return 0. It will, or I should say, it will evaluate to 0, and once it reaches to line number 7, or like after this while loop, the value of a will increase to 1, but at this line the value of a will be 0 only. Since it is 0, that's why this while loop will not run, and the next statement, which is part of this while loop, that will also not run. That's why it's not printing any this message on the screen. The other thing we can do is, to make it more simple, I can use these braces to make this block visible and easily understandable that it belongs to this block, belongs to while loop. So if the condition is true or it is non-zero, then only it will run. Here condition is 0. This condition is 0. We can say that it is false. That's why it is not coming inside this block and not printing anything. So you can play around with this program. You can try to compile this on Windows, if you're using dev C++ compiler or Visual Studio, and if you're on Mac, you can try that. You can play around with that. And if you have any doubt in this explanation, you can add your comment. And if you like the explanation or the video, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel. So let me quit this file, and that's all I have in today's video. Thank you.